weird seeing this like different color LCD screen above all my other screens. I'm not used to it.
Yeah, every time something changes in your plane, it takes a flight or two to get used to the changes. It's always like that. It can be something small. Like I used a different USB cable. Freaked me out for 2 flights.
That's funny. Fine, it's traffic. Echo Mike Yankee will be landing up runway 23. We'll be straight time out, routing Grootfontein low level.
Oxygen Zulu lining up T3 for immediate takeoff behind Echo Mike Yankee, low level to Grootfontein.
So Trevor there this morning. That's a funny sight.
Yeah, let's go chat.
Okay. I'm on chat.
Okay, cool. Are you behind me, following me at the moment?
Yeah, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to your 8 o'clock so that I have a better visual of you.
Okay, that's cool. Where are we heading at this moment? Atlantis?
Yeah, I think maybe just like kind of to the right of Atlantis, those copies there.
Okay, so I'm flying pretty much straight to that set of copies at the back there.
Yeah, I think that's kind of where we want to go, so we need to like adjust our course by like 10 degrees or so. So I'm coming in a little closer. Okay, so this morning Tian and I are out exploring. Probably not the best day to be exploring because it's pretty windy. Well, I mean, 10 mile an hour wind. I don't know what the forecast is. We are kind of in the valley here, so we might get bumped around quite a bit. But we kind of just want to come check this area out. We've never really flown here. It's always looked tempting and looks pretty cool. So we're like, cool, why not? Let's go.
Should we try and climb a bit?
I think it should be fine. Have power, we'll climb.
Cool, cool. Yeah, likewise. So if we, what we can do is we can sort of double back on the other side of these copies, to my right. And then from there we can maybe stop to the left to get back to this curve. How's that?
Yeah, that sounds good. I just see your wings all over the place. And then obviously I know I'm going to hit it like now.
Yeah, that was fun.
Definitely. It's going to be a nice landing. It is pumping, that wind puff is great. But at least it's a nice gravel runway, you know, no problem, uphill. See how short we land on this one, I guess.
Good go. Traffic box at India Zulu. Step down under. Left base. Going to top.
Echo Mike Yankee left downwind, number 2. Echo Mike Yankee short final, tip flip. So that was super short. Right. Yeah, I'll probably just have to do it. There we go. Okay, let's go get some pushing. You there? Echo Mike Yankee also lining up at Deep Cliff, 18 following Foxtrot in the Zulu.
Zulu, left crosswind 23.
Echo Mike Yankee, left crosswind for 23 full stop.
Oxygen is Zulu, left downwind 23 full stop. Let's make that a glide approach.
Echo Mike Yankee, base 23 full stop.
Yes, I've got a bike with the Gareth.
Guess I'm like full left 6.
Ja, die bent brak. Lekker bra crosswind practice there.